Today we will make a chocolate vanilla pudding cake, the perfect combination of chocolatey cake and silky filling. Let's begin. Start with the wet ingredients. We need 4 eggs. Use a hand whisk or electric beater to whip the eggs for 2 minutes. Once the eggs are whipped, add 1 cup of powdered sugar and beat again until the mixture turns frothy and light. The sugar should dissolve completely and the mixture will look pale. Now, add 1 cup of whole milk, 1 cup of oil. Mix again until the mixture becomes smooth and everything blends together into a consistent batter. Now add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. You can use vanilla essence, extract, or vanilla powder, whichever you prefer. Just a teaspoon is enough. Mix once again so the vanilla flavor is evenly spread throughout the batter. Sift and mix the dry ingredients. Next, we'll sift our dry ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of flour, but we'll handle them in parts. First, sift 1 cup of flour. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Sift the dry mixture into your wet batter, but be careful. This step requires patience. Always mix in one direction only, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. If you rush or stir too aggressively, your cake might turn out dense or hard. Gentle mixing helps keep the texture soft. After the first batch is well mixed, take the remaining 1 cup of flour and add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Sift them together. This helps ensure an even chocolate flavor. Now gradually add this cocoa flour mix to the batter. Continue mixing slowly, always in one direction. You can use a whisk for this too, just keep it gentle. Once everything is well combined, check that no dry flour remains and that the batter is smooth and rich in texture. Prepare the baking tray. Now let's get the tray ready. Take an 8 by 12 inch baking tray and grease the tray with butter. Then line the bottom with parchment paper and dust the sides with flour. Now pour your batter into the tray.
Make sure to spread it evenly and cover all the corners. If needed, tap the tray gently on your countertop to release any trapped air bubbles. Bake and prepare the pudding. Now we'll bake. Place the tray into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it bake for 25 minutes. While the cake is baking, prepare 2 packets of vanilla pudding or vanilla custard. We will not use its caramel, just follow the instructions on the pack. Cook and set the pudding aside to cool slightly. After 25 minutes, test the cake with a toothpick or skewer. Insert it into the center. If it comes out clean, the cake is done. Remove it from the oven and allow it to cool completely. Fill with pudding. Once the cake has cooled, use a small cup to cut out circle holes across the cake surface. Keep the pieces you remove, we'll use them in a minute. You can see how soft the cake is. Take the leftover cake pieces and crumble them by hand until they turn into fine crumbs. These crumbs will be used as a topping to cover the pudding pockets. Now gently pour the pudding into the holes you made. Fill them right to the top. Let the pudding settle properly so the center is creamy and full. Sprinkle the cake crumbs over the pudding holes to fully cover them. Press them down lightly so they stick and blend with the rest of the cake surface. Refrigerate and serve. Once everything is assembled, cover the tray with foil or cling wrap. Refrigerate the cake for 24 hours. After 24 hours, remove the tray from the fridge. Use a sharp knife to cut the cake into squares or rectangles. Each slice will have a soft chocolate cake, a creamy vanilla center, and a crumb topping that adds texture and visual appeal. And there you have it, your chocolate vanilla pudding cake is ready to serve. Like soft cake with a surprise inside? Try this chocolate vanilla pudding cake today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.